What's up, guys? We're going to do a quick video today on putting a tailgate table on the Bronco. Let me show you. Alright, so this tailgate here has a few little scratch marks on it. So just to cover that up and to go ahead and make it functional, we're going to put a table there. Let's do it. There's a lot more pieces than I thought. Okay, so that's kind of what it's going to look like. Here's some of the instructions here. Make sure we have all the kit. 10 millimeter, obviously. The exact same color as mine. So I guess now we're doing an installation part. We're removing the plastic. Alright, we're going to remove this thing here. Just going to pop something in here and pop it out. Easy enough. Okay, so we're going to use these with the washer. Oh shit, yeah, this way. Like that. And you're going to kind of slide one of these little elongated nuts in the back and just hold it in as it tightens up. So you're going to put one on each side, the far ends. You don't want to make this too tight because it's going to oh, wait a minute. Holy shit, this is pretty cool. So I did not realize you could do this. So these fit perfect in here. Right, so you can actually use your fingers, tighten it up. Same thing on this one. Just tighten it up with your finger. And then slide it in. Slide it in. Okay, that's kind of ingenious. Okay, I'll give them that. I guess we're going to put these in here and just put in about that much. Make sure there's a washer in between, and these will slide right in. It's right in here, perfect. Okay, make sure it's loose enough where it still moves back and forth a little bit. Alright, so I wasn't sure exactly where this went, but it looks like it goes back here. The instructions don't say it clearly, but it goes behind this, just to kind of line up against this right here. Alright, so we're going to take the tape off and install it on there. Alright, now let's install. Okay, these are going to be the Allen wrench bolts also. These are hex. I don't know what size these are because I don't have one that. Dude, this is not the best way to do this. There's no way. So here's the challenge here. You have to tighten this up, line it up, and you can't tighten the ones in the back unless they're exactly lined up. So what do? Both of you on the line. Let me do just one on this side. I'm going to feed it a little bit. Okay, we're gonna see how this lines up because there is a little wiggle room on here, but not much. Actually, right there is perfect. So they're almost both on the far ends of this. I mean, you might want to leave it out just a little bit. So it's almost exactly both of them in. Maybe just a hair off, maybe a couple millimeters off, but almost exactly. All right, so now we're going to install the long piece on the bottom there. It goes lip up, and we're going to use the kind of the same thing, but this is actually 8mm. Okay, so we're going to put this in here and slide it in. Same thing on the other side, just like that. Right, now we're going to slide it in there. All right, I don't want to, kind of have to gauge it to see how to line it up straight. We'll do it a little loose because that we can tighten up afterwards also. Okay, so I think this is how we do this part, okay? I'm trying to figure this out. So there is a lock nut washer with the washer, okay? And then there's two plastic washers. One or two, you can use one or two depending on how much space there is. I'm gonna put two in between it, okay? I feel like that's better for it to roll up and down. So it's gonna be like this. The little bolt, the lock nut washer, a regular washer, it's going to go through here. In the middle is going to be two of these plastic ones, maybe one depending on how thick it is, right? And then on the inside is going to be another little washer with the actual nut. Let's try to see how that works. Leave that alone. It's 8mm. Flip it up here. Let it fall and see if this needs to be tight enough. Alright, and these fold nice and smooth. And it lines up perfectly up here. Okay, I think we're ready to put down these. Okay, so I ended up putting the washer on the inside, in the middle, and one on the outside with the nut. Making sure it all lines up. Just like that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is put the molly on here. Little molly panel. Okay, and does this have a direction? Because you see that gap right there? It needs to be there so it goes in there. Strap the bolt. And there are 12 of these. Alright guys, I think it looks pretty cool. I like it, it's functional. Might see if I can put some molly stuff in, maybe a couple bags, or something here. But one thing that I'm kind of questioning is like, it opens, it works fine. I've seen some that have cup holders that's even cooler, or that this folds down a little bit for the top shelf, that's cool. This comes with these little clips, which you can put them right there, right? You can hang stuff on there. It comes with 4 of them. Put 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. But the thing is, if you put them in here, can't close it. Doesn't close. So if these would have had like a little swivel on it, you're not gonna hang anything heavy anyway. So, or if it would have had some places here where the same sequence of holes is, but no, it doesn't fit over here at all. Nowhere. I guess we'll just keep these in the Bronco just in case. Throw them in here. Locks. And done. Alright guys, we're going to do a little bit of cleanup now, so thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some of these other videos that I have, alright? Dose.